Hello guys, welcome back to the Kotlin Android video tutorial. And in the last video tutorial we learned how the functions can work in the Kotlin with the Android. So in this video we will learn how we can get and set the value in the input boxes and the text views through the button click, and we also use the functions. And guys, if you don't know about Kotlin core program, don't worry, in this program I'll tell you everything that will functionality will come under this video. So like the how we can call the functions, how we can set the values in Kotlin and inheritance and all these things. So don't worry about if you don't know about the basics of the Kotlin. So let's get started. So here you can see that we have a text view here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a button, and from the input text box I'm going to set the take the value from the input box, edit view, we can say that, take the value from the edit view and set the value to this text view. So how we can do that? So you can see that here just I have the start this program, and here I have the main activity, and this is inheritance sign. The colon sign, that means inheritance sign, and the function override means we are overriding the functions, and fun means we are going to define a function. So let's get started. So first of all I need one button and one text editor. So just I'm going to take a plain text here. Alright, and I am going to take a button here. Let's take a button here. Alright, so these are the components that we need in here. So now let's go to the main activity. So here I'm going to create a function. So for function, like we can call, we don't need to define the public, private and all these things, so we can directly do that. So get set. So we will take the value from this input box, this text editor, and set the value in this view, text view. So let's start. So define the function here. So first of all I'm going to take a val. Val means kind of constant. You cannot change the value of var, type of variable, but if you use the var you can change the value again of this variable. So I'm going to define val here, so because I don't need to change this value again. So just I'm going to write here edit text here. Yes, so I need to use the find view by id, that's it, and this my edit text, and r dot id, and what is my id of text editor? So my text editor id is 3, so I'm going to make it 1. So use dot 1. Alright, that's it. And in the functions we can take the kind of view, so like define a view here. Alright, so we got the view here also. So now I have to convert the edit text value in the string. So just I'm going to take one more val. This is the message, and just write here edit text dot toString. Alright, so this will convert it in the string. Now just take the instance of text view. For that I can write here val text view, and it can be find text view by id, and it's the text view. And let's check the id of my text view. This is the text view, simply text view. Alright, so I can write here r dot id dot text view. Alright, and if we want to set the value, we get the value in the message here from the text editor. And how we can set the value, let's see. Dot apply, and in this curly brackets just use the text equal to messages. That's it. And now I need to call this get and set functions. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to call it on the Android dot on click and write the function here. That's it. So let's try to run this. Let's see what's going on. So alright, so you can see that just take the design here, we got all this here. We have the by default text in the text view, and in the plain text, so we can see that edit view is the name and this is the button. So I'm going to write hi from YouTube, and just you can see that we take the value here. Whatever you want to set, you can set here. So this is, you can see that Kotlin is awesome and it will take the less code as compared to Java. So just move on the Kotlin. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we will see that how we can navigate to the next screen with the Kotlin. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and if you have any kind of query you can ask me in the comment box also. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.